can ride this though, a superstar disco. We can ride looking like a superfly disco. And you can ride this though, we can fly disco. And you can ride looking like a superfly disco. We can ride this though, a superstar disco. We can ride looking like a superfly disco. And you can ride this though, we can ride this though, the superstar disco. And we can ride looking like a superfly.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, guys. We're actually here in the city of Huntington Beach.
Yeah.
And we are just a few miles away from GUNTHER WERKS headquarters. And we're going to check out some cool Porsches.
Yeah. So they're having an open house, I think, today. So we are heading there.
All right, let's go.
Let's go.
Disco, and you can ride this though, and we can fly disco.
We are almost there. 0.1 mile.
Yep. See where we can park.
Yeah. It's the other Porsche guys. Looks like there's a few Porsche guys already here.
I'll
So-
park.
Oh.
Oh. Hi.
Hi.
How you doing?
Good,
How are
good,
you?
good.
Good, dude, this is awesome.
Thank you. Thank you.
Oh, thank you.
I got a crazy idea.
Oh.
Okay.
So they gave us a good parking spot
So
here.
which curve? That curve?
Yeah, he probably wants you to go up on that.
Okay,
curve.
you want to spot me? We're here at the GUNTHER WERKS headquarters. They actually told us to put the Bronco on top of this sidewalk. That is so cool. So this is us right here. And these are all the awesome Porsches here. They got Galpin Autosport Porsche Cayenne here. It's a diesel. And it has some cool front light bar with KC lights and a roof rack. And here's another Porsche Cayenne diesel with Baja designs. Oh wow, look at this cool Audi Q7 with the hella lights. And oh wow, we got the Dakar Porsche. This is nice. Collectible too. And then here we got a classic 911 with front skid plates with a roof rack. They're having the party getting ready to start, and we have this awesome 911 turbo, wow, with carbon fiber hood. We got Mornings OC. Look at that, they got coffee. It's a coffee van here. It's a Mercedes coffee van here. We're just heading over here. Look at this cool 911. And here's the GUNTHER WERKS HQ. Wow, look at that. We got some nice Lamborghini there. Look at this cool Huracan here, STO. Wow, this is nice. Even has the engine roof scoop. And then here's a nice M4. And then we got some more cool cars back there. We are now going inside the GUNTHER WERKS warehouse. This is gorgeous. Carbon fiber wheels. Oh my gosh. Look at the paint. Carbon fiber rear dock wing. That is gorgeous. Oh, look at the exhaust. Oh my gosh. Look at the exhaust, guys. Look at the carbon fiber seats on these. Oh my gosh, it's almost like our Tillit, but more artistic. Look at this, it's bare.
I know.
There's no engine yet, it's just the body. And they're using Brembo brakes. We just realized that this Porsche here is a right-hand drive. It's showing you like how you make it.
Yeah.
So we're gonna walk over towards this way. This is a nice tour of the factory here. And there's some more carbon fiber seats there. This is the bare chassis right here, just the body. Some more carbon fiber seats. Oh my gosh, look at that, like a speedster.
Yeah.
Roadster, speedster. Oh wow, that is nice. Woo! Carbon fiber wheels, carbon fiber seats, and more carbon fiber in the rear. This is the Flyer car right here. This was the Porsche in their Flyer. And this is how it looks like here. It has carbon fiber seats, Brembo brakes, even has carbon fiber side vents, carbon fiber one that goes on the rear. This is a gorgeous art work right here. It's called the Augusta. It is a 993 turbo programmed by GUNTHER WERKS. And this is how the rear looks like. Oh my gosh. Look at the exhaust. I don't know if that's a helmet or...
I think that's where you put your helmet.
Okay, it looks like a helmet placement, but it's in carbon fiber. Pure carbon fiber wheel right there. This build is already amazing. Oh my gosh. Pure carbon fiber Porsche Gunther Works. Carbon fiber everything from exterior to interior. The steering wheel too is carbon fiber with the Alcantara handles. Oh my gosh. So you want to go pure carbon in the Bronco or wide body, carbon fiber wide body. Next to this amazing carbon fiber Porsche. That's how it looks like, all stripped out, guys. From that to this masterpiece right here. Move this gorgeous Porsche here in the middle of the showroom. Oh my gosh. This is just straight out gorgeous right here, guys. Even has a carbon fiber roll cage, Brembo brakes with ceramic rotors. Oh my gosh, look at the lights. It looks awesome. The headlights looks great. And this is the 993 GLIJR. And this is how the interior looks like.
They pop the hood. There you go. That is so nice.
Disco, and you can ride this though, and we can fly disco, and you can ride looking like a super fly disco. We can ride this though, the superstar disco, and we can ride.
Here's the bar section right here. I don't know if this is free, but this is how this amazing facility, warehouse, headquarters looks like. Here are all the colors that they have. You already know what I'm picking, guys. I'm picking this full carbon fiber Porsche right here. You guys already know. This green one though is really nice though.
The green.
Yeah, this blue, turquoise blue, or is a great color too. They even offer their own wheels, all in-house, guys. Fully forged. That is crazy. Wow. We just realized that their wheels are made in California. Nice. All here from Huntington Beach. We are inside where they actually make it, all in-house. So these are the new wheels that they are doing right now. Yep, fully forged. You know what's really cool? The Iron Man. That's really cool. The Iron Man is really awesome. Got ourselves a nice shirt from Gunther Works over there. And then we also got this free carbon fiber case. Oh wow, this is nice. This is how the shirt looks like. Let me see, is there anything in the back? No, okay. So it's just nice and plain. Some classic Porsche here. And then we got this awesome 911 GT3 RS. Oh my gosh. And then we got some more Porsches rolling in. Look at that matte Aston Martin Vantage. Here's a cool GT3 RS. Oh, here's a lovely GT4. Oh wow, that's cool with white wheels. We got ourselves a, what's this, GT2 RS from Grid Life. Then beside it is this Raptor R. I don't even know what kind of Porsche this is. It looks crazy. It looks crazy. Oh, look at this. It's like a Porsche dealership, guys.
Different colors too.
Different colors. GT3 RS, GT3. Wow, look at this GT3 with the white wheels. GT3 RS with white wheels. Look at this nice Lotus Emira here. Someone brought in a R32. Carbon fiber wing. Of course it's right-hand drive. Volk racing wheels. There we go. I forgot to film this, but we got free tacos. We got some free on-the-house ginger ale drink. So this is cool. So we're just admiring these gorgeous cars here.
All right, guys.
All right, so yeah, there's already a ton of people already.
Yeah.
So yeah, we're now about to head out, and this was an awesome event. Thank you so much, Gunther Works. All right, let's go.
This we can this we can ride. You can ride looking like a super fly disco. You can ride looking like a super fly disco.
Oh wow, look at this BMW bike here. We got an R8 here. We got an oh wow, GT2 Turbo RS. It's a nice green I think this is a GT3. We got a cool McLaren here.